Hi, this is Heather Bayer, and in this section of the guide, we're talking about preparing your properties for rental. You know, when I used to take my family on vacation, we had very few expectations. We were campers. So the transition to a hard roof was really just going to a place where it didn't leak, when you touched the walls. And that was usually enough to be deeply satisfying. Couple that with a TV with one or two channels and a few board games, and the whole Bayer clan were very, very happy. Now we're dealing with expectations of top-level technologies, super fast Wi-Fi, voice-activated home systems. Think of more, keyless entry, in a spotlessly clean and sanitized property. And that's just the start. So it's always important to remember that the moment you start exchanging your property for money, you've become part of the travel and tourism industry. It's not just a passive investment or a simple side hustle if you're planning on being involved in the hospitality industry. Your responsibility as a host and as a manager is to the guest who is parting with their hard-earned income to enjoy a comfortable, up-to-date and well-equipped space. In this section of the guide, we start by revisiting the basics, getting a clear understanding of what your target market expects their rental property to look like and to feel like. Then we go through the practical setup of an extraordinary property. Enjoy.